Hello lovelies, once again you're welcome to my channel Custom to Venture. Thank you so much for stopping by. If today is your first time, you are highly welcome. I appreciate you so much. Okay, today we'll be looking into how to make our bar soap, our laundry soap, by adding what will make it to be strong and shining. Do you want your soap to shine and strong? You are in the right place. Just wash and wash to the end. You will see what I eventually added to it. Here I have my oil. I have PKO 100 grams and bleach palm oil 100 grams. Have you learned how to bleach your palm oil with just one ingredient? Check my channel, you will find out there. So I have the oil here, and of course the oil is warm. What to show me pour is the color, yellow color, oil soluble. You know, we have oil soluble, we have water soluble. So I'm using oil soluble, and when you are using oil soluble, you pour it into the oil before pouring your light solution, because oil goes with oil. And here what you see me pour is the light solution. There I have 95 grams of water and then 38 grams of lye. And then that's what you see me pour, what will make it to be strong and shine. This makes it to be strong and shine, and I use 10% of the oil of that. Okay, so the next thing we do is what? You mix it thoroughly. Don't forget to reach me on the line in case you have any other questions to ask, or you want an online training, you want physical training, or you want a live session training. And please do like it. If you are here to like it, please do like and subscribe. And when you subscribe, please put on your notification bell so that each time I upload new content, you will be among the first set of people that will use it. So after mixing it, as I've always told you, as much as possible, let it be when it's still medium trace, okay, so that it can come out well, like the what you saw in the beginning of the video. Thanks so much for staying till now. Have you subscribed? Have you liked it? Please do like it and let it keep going. I appreciate you so much. God will bless the work of your hand. You will not lack. You will not suffer. The Lord will keep blessing and blessing your business. Your business keep progressing. Okay? See you in my next video. Please don't forget to put on your notification bell so that each time I upload new content, you will be among the first set of people that will watch it. Okay, thanks so much. If you have stayed till this time, I appreciate you. I would love to see you in my next video, dropping very soon. I drop almost every 2 days. Okay, see you. Bye.